In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instacart application not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have your mobile data or Wi-Fi working. You can simply go ahead and try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You can also try force closing and reopening the application, or if you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and head into settings, apps, Instacart, storage, and clear its cache. Your application might also have a pending update, which will definitely interfere with your application. You want to simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and check if there are any updates available. If the server is down, then you might be facing this problem as well. You want to simply go to Down Detector and then search for Instacart to see if there are any server problems. If that doesn't work, you want to simply try restarting your phone or even uninstalling and reinstalling your Instacart application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.